How to fix ChatGPT subscriptions error. To fix a ChatGPT subscription error such as fail to load subscriptions or being unable to access full feature or plus feature after paying, you could follow these steps. First thing first, open your settings on your device. Then go to app from the list, select see all app and tap the search and type in ChatGPT. Once you are in the section, go to storage and cache. So clear your cache. You could also do this, clear storage. And next, while you're in the same section, you also want to make sure to go and force stop the app for a while. And after which, you just want to make sure to close all the background running app, hold on to your side button, and restart the device. And now log in and see whether the issue is being solved or not. Despite all that, if you're still having issue, go to your app store on your device. Then you just want to make sure to go and select the search, type in ChatGPT, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If you're using a browser, then you must make sure to clear all your cookies and data. You could also refresh by restarting your desktop or your PC. That should also be able to help you. Or maybe try logging out and logging in. That is also gonna definitely help you out. So these are a couple things you could fix ChatGPT subscription error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.